What's up, the explorers? What's going on? How's the day going? How's your day going? This is gonna be a quick intro because you see here, the last video I talked about was Hurricane Irma. So it is about to happen. It is raining, 100% chance of rain and wind. So I'm gonna go out there and go outside. So yeah, and if you haven't hit that subscribe button, if you want to be an explorer, hit that subscribe button, be adventurous, and also hit that like button. Comment down below what you do next. This is something to preview this video of Hurricane Irma. I'm gonna go outside and see if it's bad or not bad. So let's do this. Let's do that thing. All right. I just have to turn off the light. It might get dark. It's dark in the hallway. It's dark. Alright, I'll be outside.
You have it on the stick?
No.
Okay.
Should I have it on the stick?
It'll probably make it easier.
Alright. Stupid key. Alright. To my room. Alright, got the stick. Let's get the stick. Alright, let's put this on. Alright. No. Okay, it is raining outside. It is raining, it is windy, so my phone might get wet, so if there's any other stuff on the phone, let's go. Alright. It is raining outside. You can see now it is raining outside. It is windy, it is powerful. It's 100% chance of rain. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it is good. If you haven't been, this is a part of me being adventurous. I'm going inside. It's middle during a hurricane. My phone's wet. Let me clean this off real quick. Whoops. Okay, my phone is really wet, so I'm trying to make this short as possible. It is raining. Like I said, it's windy. It's falling down. I don't want my phone to get too much wet, so I'm gonna make this really quick. So if you live in Florida, I hope you're being safe. I hope you're being inside your house and all that stuff. So yeah, this is all it for today. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Be an explorer like I'm doing right now. I'm venturing outside into the wilderness. So yeah, peace. See you guys later.